to make a long story short, because it's a lot of legality and a lot of, court and legal terminology involved, head on over to Bloody Disgusting to check out this full article. And this is where I'm getting excerpts from the judgment that was awarded not just a couple of days ago. So head over to Bloody Disgusting for the full entire article. You can read it thoroughly. You can check it out. But Victor Miller will reclaim the domestic rights to the franchise Friday the 13th. Now, this is a big win for Victor Miller. He's this whole Friday the 13th has been in litigation. It seems like forever now. And, we've been waiting like 2 years for this update about what's going to be the next step. Just to kind of give you like a little recap about what's been going on very briefly. Ever since a judge ruled back in 2018 that Friday the 13th screenwriter Victor Miller is the sole owner of the original screenplay in the U.S., at least in the States, Friday the 13th director Sean Cunningham has been working to have the decision reversed. The argument continues to be that Victor Miller, that is, wrote the screenplay as a work for hire and therefore never should have been able to gain the rights to the screenplay in the first place. Like I said, this is a huge win for Victor Miller. Now don't move and don't get excited too quickly, because there's still going to be some litigation that's going to be going on with this. So even though the first step of the litigation seems like it's a little bit clear and the smoke is cleared, it's still some heavy stuff that they have to deal with in the court system. Now, this is a huge step in the process, but certainly doesn't mean that Victor will now be free to take the franchise in whatever direction he wants to do with it for now, until various deals are worked out behind the scenes, which will likely take some time, y'all. It'll definitely take some time. For starters, owning the original screenplay doesn't mean that you own the character of the adult Jason Voorhees as we know him, the slasher Jason as we know him. And Victor Miller's ownership of the work only covers domestic rights. The franchise will remain dormant still. But, I'm hoping like all of us, that this is a move in the right direction, in the direction of seeing Jason on the big screen. The last time we seen him was in 2009 with the Friday the 13th remake. And, a lot of people, it has its various opinions. Me personally, I thought the movie was okay. I didn't think the movie was as bad as a lot of people did. A lot of people thought the movie was not good. I thought it was serviceable. I thought it was okay. I thought it was a nice little warm up to reintroduce Jason Voorhees to the masses. Now, if they would have been able to, and I thought the actor that played Jason Voorhees, even though I would have loved to see Kane Hodder reprise his role as Jason, the actor that played Jason was actually pretty good. It would have been nice to see the direction that they would have went with the sequel. The box office receipts from the first week of Friday the 13th, the 2009 reboot, in its first week were very promising. The receipts and the box office draw and the money and the cash it brought in on that opening weekend was very promising. But unfortunately, the movie took a huge dip the next week and the following weeks after. So it didn't have that sustainable power at the box office. And then, the franchise went dormant, and, we have a bunch of YouTube, straight fan films that's been made on YouTube that you can check out. That's excellent. But ever since this litigation, things have been murky and things have been just all up in the air, and it continues to be all up in the air. So even though this is a step in the right direction to end the process of all of this crazy litigation that's been going on, it's still going to be some time until we see Jason Voorhees. It's AP. Feel free to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check me out on our other social media platforms as well. You'll find my listing and my name in the description. But feel free to subscribe. I will definitely love that. Check you later. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Check you later. One love. Peace.